Guys, we're back. Put the bracket on. One thing in the last video I forgot to mention, you do want to take your air cleaner assembly off, because you can't get through that pulley, tensioner pulley down there. Yeah, I had to take it off. Mine's a Cadillac motor, so it's got a big old weird one, and it's very bulky, and it's not heavy, it's just very big and goes every which way. Kind of thinking about replacing that. I looked on my dad's truck and he's got a better one on his 6.0. Well, here we go. I'm gonna try to put the camera where y'all can see. Try to prop it up. There you can see this wrench right here. Sorry guys, second person would be helpful. Let me throw a bolt in the bottom of this alternator, and then I can show you a picture. Let me put both bolts. Alright. There's both bolts in. Thing does not want to cooperate. Okay, put your bolts come with two washers, one nut, one washer on the inside, one on the outside. Oh, that's what happens when you lose a washer. You ain't got somebody helping you. Trying to film and do it at the same time, you're gonna drop a washer and a nut. My luck. Well, there you go, guys. It's installed. Looks way nicer than the old one. Should have took the old one off and painted it, but everything else is dirty inside my engine compartment, so I'm not worried about that. Well, until next time, when I wire it all together, I'll see y'all later. Oh, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep the stock one to run my electrical system in my truck, and the 350 amp is gonna be solely for the audio. That way they're not fighting against each other. That way you don't see no dimming lights or nothing like that. As soon as I get my lithium batteries, hope everything works out the way I want it to. Thinking about a new amp also, but let's see how it goes. All right, peace.